Alright, cool. So you all asked for it on Instagram. We had 2 boxes to choose from. You all chose this one. So as you all asked for it, here it is, today's unboxing. We have it. Bam! Damn it. Bam! Right, okay, finally we got it correct. Okay, so box shows slight signs of wear and tear. Could be from Brittany dropping it. So here we have it. Now it's Your Time collection. Human Race Pharrell Williams in the light pink colorway. So unfortunately, I was not able to wear these shoes for about 2 weeks. I had them sitting down, couldn't wear them. I did sneak peek at it before, so don't hate me for it. So here we have it. Pharrell Williams, light pink, Human Race. One side says sun, one side says calm. Hello? Hello, you trying to talk to me? Nah, you can't be talking to me. Flexing on them haters, man. Right? Yeah, I have a thing for pink shoes. I don't know what it is about pink shoes. My other Human Races are pink as well. I never did a video about it. Probably should do like a comparison between the 2 colorways, see which one you like the most. But yeah, here it is. Let's cut to some B-roll so you could check it out and see if you like it or not. I forgot to show you all. It comes with a hot pink pair of laces. I will show you all exactly how I do my classic double tie like these. I'll show you all exactly how to do it in a video. Let me know if you all want to see something like that. For me, it's just a way to have them looking, you know, different. I mean, a lot of people wear shoes like this, and it helps you stand out a little bit, make the shoe a little bit more interesting by just by the way you tie your laces. So yeah, so I'll organize that for y'all as soon as y'all let me know if you're feeling it or not.
Try to catch me with the feelings, but too bad I don't have much dose. All I'm about is my pesos. You better have that thing by the month. Love can't have so much conflict, even at 4:44 in the morning. Let my chair turn around, let it roll, cause I'm in control.
You came with this idea where we should probably do like a scale of like, I don't know, comfortability, like just rating each shoe, so you will know, have an idea of how they fit, etc. Right? On the comfortability scale for this one, out of 5, the shoes I would probably say is a solid 4 out of 5. I could wear these shoes all day. The primes is super comfortable, super breathable, but for me, I would say for some reason, whenever I wear NMDs, my feet feel tired after a long time of wearing, whereas with other shoes like Ultra Boost, etc., I can wear those whole day and I'm fine, you know. Wearability is a pink shoe. I don't know how much people could wear pink shoes on a regular basis. I know I could because I have plenty of pink clothes because it's one of my favorite colors to wear. But if it is out to say for everybody, wearability, I may probably say 3.5. You could wear this with anything. You could wear it with white, you could wear it with pink. I have a lot of pink. Of course, you have the darker color pink, the lighter color pink, and then this more pastel pink on the inside there. So it matches with different shades of pink. And of course, pink neck coming up in a couple of days. And this is a must flex for me. Like, it's wearable. Breathability, of course, is a primeness upper, so your feet not gonna sweat as much in these kind of shoes. So breathability, a solid 5. Hype. These were from the Pharrell Williams Now It's Your Time pack. I would say it was 4 out of 5 hype wise. Not much people going to have this same colorway unless they get from a reseller or if it's fake. Yeah, nice clean colorway, easy to rock. I would say total shoe 5 out of 5 for me. Comfort, style, breathability, hype. So yeah, you get it.
on 56, light a match, yeah we lit. Give her what she work for, but I ain't promising no promises. She took me to the back room, gave me what I wanted, then she looked back. Ooh, let the games roll, then she looked down. I'm in control.